Hey Benny, it's Albert here. Here we go. So here I am in your funnel here. Let me see. So I'm assuming this is the right funnel. So I went to, just go, let's back up here. Show you which path I took. So there's your membership, and then there's here. Okay, that other one. So this has to be the right one. So I came here, went to your products. We're talking about the follow-up action. We're here in Stripe, subscription. And then we're in your follow-up actions. I see you selected MailChimp. Okay, so you see here, so the lists are not grayed out as I see them, so I'm not going to save any of this. So this will be just as you left it here. All right, I'm just going to read your message here again, this last one, actions. Add the list. Okay, so as you can see, I'm able to make the selection. If for some reason on your end, you're not able to do this here, one, make sure you're using Chrome and you're not using Internet Explorer. You need to make sure you're using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, as ClickFunnels is it's designed to be optimal with those two platforms. Okay, it doesn't work well with Internet Explorer. It's just the nature of Internet Explorer. There's a lot of programs and software that do not work well with it. Okay, so that being number one, and then two, you may need to clear your browsing data and your temporary files, and I'll send you a quick tutorial on how to do that. Now, this just being MailChimp, okay, you don't need the $297 a month account just to use MailChimp. So this should work just fine without having that upgraded account. Now, if you were in your funnel making a selection, let's go here and choosing, give me 1 second here, let this load. So if you're here, so you have your MailChimp. So if you were here and you're going for Actionetics or something like that, because it is on the list by default, then you would need the $297 account to use Actionetics, okay? And I can tell right now that you don't have that. So if you go up to follow-up funnels here, obviously this is how you would upgrade, okay? Now you don't need that just to use MailChimp, okay? The way that you're trying to use it, it does work, and I'm looking at it just as I showed you here. When I go into your order form, go into your products, go to your Stripe, go to your follow-up, you got your MailChimp selected, your add to list. Now I can go through. Now you see when I'm hovering in this drop down, this is grayed out. So, okay. Now I can still make the selection and change these, okay? Now I'm not saving anything, so it's not going to stick. So again, if you're still having this issue on your side, just make sure you're using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and then go ahead and clear your browsing data. I would log completely out, okay, of your account, okay, and then log in using an incognito window, okay, and then go back into your funnel in an incognito window. All right, and I'll send you some instruction how to do all that. All right, it's just going to give you a clean slate on testing your funnel. All right. Now, once you do all that, if it's still not working, obviously just let me know, and then we could see what we can do, okay, from there. All right, thanks.